big fan of the concept of lamination because brushing your hairs into a better position can make your brows look fuller and fluffier because it lifts and separates the hairs. It kind of gives you a brow lift, especially on the tails where our brows tend to grow downwards, and it helps to disguise empty patches. It's brilliant for people with stubborn brow hairs that grow in the wrong direction because it makes the hair softer and easier to work with. But lamination is a chemical process like a perm, so it can weaken and even damage your hair if you over-process it. I can't stress enough how important it is to use a brow serum in between lamination treatments to keep the condition of the hairs good. I've been testing lamination products for many years now, and I find it works best for clients with medium to strong hair growth. If you have weak hair, then you can get the lamination effect without the chemical process by using products like the Brow Fix, which holds them in place.